I got another lawnmower. I just grabbed this one out of the trash this morning. It's got some water on it. That was all snow because it decided to snow today for some reason. You can see this is bungee corded on there. Let's see if there's fuel in it. There's no fuel in it. That means I'm going to have to get some fuel to see if it'll run. I'm going to take this super tiny bungee cord off of here. That's gross. What'd they do to this bungee cord? They like made a super tiny bungee cord. Okay, that falls out. Doesn't this just clip on here? Yeah, I don't know. Someone tried to do something on here. It looks like there's a choke because it's closed. I'm assuming that automatically opens up once. This is like a temperature thing, and it has an automatic choke. I'm gonna spray some carb cleaner in there and just see if it'll even start off of that. If it starts off of that, then I'll grab some fuel and start it up. All the cables look intact. I mean, there's a little bit of black smoke, but it started and ran just fine. Now I gotta crack the garage. Yeah, there's snow on the ground. Oops. It's fine. I didn't need to crack it that much. So it runs, I guess. I don't even think there's anything wrong with it. And with the black smoke, it just needs an oil change. Well, other than that mower making a big mess in my garage with all the grass, it runs and starts just fine. It probably needs an oil change based off the black smoke. That looks kind of clear. I'm tilting it over to get some more oil on the stick to see. I mean, that's some clear oil. There's a bunch of grass chunks flew out of there. I guess that's it. And this clips on just fine too. So I don't know why they threw this out. I will get a new air filter for it. I gotta get extra small ones for it. I don't know why they had this bungee corded on there. Unless it's because with the air filter it don't fit. Just gotta. If I get a new air filter for it, it'll fit because it won't be so bent out. But I guess that's the end of this video. Nothing wrong with that mower. That's cool. Free mower's free mower. So if you want to see what's wrong with this one, because that was in the same trash as that one, check out this video. That should be this one, or it might be a random video depending on when the videos go out. But check out this video if you haven't seen it yet, and I'll see you in the next video.